Hey guys, this is Juan from Sketch2React, and today I'm going to show you our new version of our renderer app code app, version 0.6.2. And the biggest thing in this release is something called advanced export. What you do is you press this one, add to export, and you go to the next page. And you press add to export, and then when you're ready you press download, and download creates a folder, a zip for you, something like this. For some reason it's called image.zip, but you can rename it when you are downloading. I can show you how. So you press here and we just press something like this, and we can call this my site. Boom. And then we go to where I put it. There it is. Let me open it up. Let's check out the files. Like that. Here you got everything you need. You have your CSS files here. If you had made a custom one, it would be there. You have your HTML files, your JavaScript files, and if you had images, they would have been here. And this is really huge, because how it was before was that we didn't export the images. It was embedded in the HTML code, but now you get them all here. Really neat. And you just, if you have set everything up inside of Sketch with fonts and stuff like that, you can drag drop this to your server and it will look like this, or maybe not just like this, but you understand. And this is another cool thing you see here, this hysterical animation. We now have full support for Animate.css and all other CSS libraries that use uppercase and lowercase characters. So that's why we created this demo document. So you can, it looks like this. So you can check out how you need to name stuff, etc, etc. And when you are ready to add more animations, go to this website. Here you can check them out, try them out like this. And if you go to GitHub, scroll down, here you have all the animations. What you do is just copy this name and you add it as a class name inside of Sketch. For example, to a text file like that. And it needs to have the word animated and then the class name. And if you want it to animate forever, you put infinite. You can also do stuff like, let me check. You could delay all the animations with delay seconds. You can also make them slower. So if you want to have the bounce faster, you write just faster. Really neat thing, and full support for this. And of course, we have support for all other libraries that use this kind of naming conventions.